मुझे पता है, you want to become the best version of yourself. You want to buy that luxurious house, that car probably, and to give your parents the life that they actually deserve. But I also know that you feel anxious and sad while thinking about whether you will ever be able to do all this or not. Well, I was exactly in your shoes just a few years back. And you know what? You absolutely can. But only if you take the control of your life in your own hands and do something about it. And this is coming from a person who has tested 6 different businesses, became one of India's top 5% dropshippers, scaled an agency to $19,000 per month, and a bit more. So take out your pens and notebooks, ladies and gentlemen, because what I'm going to share with you is extremely valuable. Now, if you are someone who really wants 2024 to be the year for you and you're willing to do the hard work, then only continue watching this video. Because we both know that it's fucking high time we get serious about our life. And if not now, then when, my friend? Now, the actual problem here is that you lack the right direction and you don't have someone who can tell you that this is where you are going right or this is what you're doing wrong. So in this video, I won't be talking about those typical wake up early, exercise daily, read books kind of wake tips. ये सब tips बहुत ही अच्छी हैं, no doubt. But the only problem is these all are extremely generic advices. They don't solve a specific problem. And over here, I have made sure that by the time you reach the end of this video, your specific problem should be solved. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, most typical self-help gurus and coaches give you overcomplicated things, which honestly, they don't even follow in the first place. They heard somewhere and thought of sharing with you, which doesn't make sense, at least to me. I'll be straight up honest with you. I don't have any quick hack, or I won't be sharing with you anything here and there. I will only share those things which have personally worked for me in the last 6 to 7 years. My friend, you need to focus on the fundamentals. Why? Because that's gonna separate you from the rest. And these 3 fundamental pillars are your main game. Number 1, mindset. Number 2, health. Number 3, skills. When it comes to mindset, the only thing that you need to work on is having clarity. You need to have an absolute clarity about yourself, about what you want, and even why you want in the first place. Agar clarity hogi, then only you will achieve your goals. Because let's say you leave your home thinking you want to go somewhere, but don't know where. Do you think you will ever reach anywhere? No. Because you never had clarity in the first place. But you know what? Today, getting clarity for yourself, for your goals, is harder than ever because of all this distraction around you these days. But at the same time, it is incredibly important that you have clarity if you wish to grow in life. To solve this, you need to sit down with yourself. Try doing this every week or at least once every month. Switch off your mobile, close your room and write down your thoughts, your questions, your doubts. And once you have all those things listed down on a piece of paper that need an answer or a solution, then one by one on the same sheet of paper, try coming up with solutions for these problems. Today, every other person is suggesting you go use the internet or use ChatGPT to find solutions. Go network with 10,000 people. But no, boss, this sitting alone is your golden brainstorming hour. It will help you introspect. Trust me, you just need time with yourself and you will find solution. Why? Because at the end, they are your problems. Nobody will understand them better than you. You will eventually come up with solutions for sure, but just give them enough time. But let's say if you're not even aware of your problems in the first place, how do you think you will ever solve? So get clarity. And once you are on the path of finding the right direction, you will automatically feel way more peaceful, way more focused, and more inclined towards working better. Why? Because now at least you will have some idea where you're going ahead. You will see the road ahead. The second fundamental pillar that we have is health. Might sound a bit cliche, but trust me, I learned this the hard way. Prioritizing your health is the key to winning in every area of your life, be it financially, mentally, or physically. Because your health is what will keep you moving forward and help you stay in the game. I mean, what's the point of everything when you can't even get out of your bed? What's the point of having so much money when you can't go out and enjoy that? That's why make sure to take care of yourself. Develop a consistent routine of exercising every day. And I'm not saying just go to gym and lift heavy weights. Maybe you enjoy swimming. playing a sport. It could be anything. The goal is to move your body and stay active. Your overall health depends on these three things, which are number one, sleep. Make sure you take 7 hours of sleep. Science has proved anyone who functions on less than 6 hours of sleep is not at all productive. So fix your sleep schedules, please. Number 2, exercise. Try working out at least 3 to 4 times a week and try having a mix of cardio and weight training. At number 3, we have diet. Try eating healthier meals. Try finding healthier alternatives to your favorite unhealthy foods. Studies show that only if you keep these 3 things in check, sleep, exercise and diet, you already have put yourself ahead of 95% of the people who live a sedentary and an unhealthy life. It's rightly said, health is wealth. The third fundamental pillar that we have is skills. मेरी एक बात अच्छे से समझ लो प्लीज, ये दुनिया तुम्हारी वैल्यू तभी करेगी जब तुम कुछ वैल्यू क्रिएट करोगे. एंड दिस इज माई फेवरेट पार्ट बिकॉज पर्सनली आई एम वेरी बुलिश ऑन दिस. वंस यू हैव मास्टर्ड अ bunch of skills, then you can apply them again and again and to create something meaningful for yourself or for the people around you, either by building a business or by coming up with creative ideas. I don't know at what stage of your life you are in. Maybe you are a student, doing a job or starting your own venture, but you are not seeing the results that you want because most probably you lack some skills because of which you are not getting the desired results. Whatever you are doing right now is not enough. That's why your goals are not converting into a reality, right? So this means you need to level up, my friend. Start dedicating weekends after college or whenever you can, but start investing on yourself. Start investing in your own personal growth. If you want to know which top skills you need to learn to make yourself future ready, then let me know in the comments below and I'll create a separate video on that for you. And understand this, slowly but steadily खुद को improve करना है over a period of time. Get this in your head. Consistently grow करते रहना है, एक दिन में कुछ नहीं होने वाला. To recap everything once again for you, number 1, you need to become absolutely clear about the things you want in life and direct your energy towards a few of those goals and build it over time. Number 2, you can't avoid working on your body. It's very important to stay at the top of your game. Number 3, keep stacking new and in-demand skills to grab better opportunities in life and become financially stronger every passing year. And if you are watching this video till now, I'm very happy because you are a few of those people who are serious about bringing a change in their life. And if you are finding this video valuable, share this video with those whom you really want to see growing and become better. I hope you found this video interesting, and if you did, I'm gonna come up with more such valuable videos like this one, so we can achieve great things together, build a strong community and support each other. See you in the next one. Cheers.